once again. You are welcome to my channel where we learn to make soap. Okay, I want to put all these type of chemicals, the chemicals we need in soap making for knowledge sake, especially for those that are just coming up, the beginners, so that you'll be able to identify the chemicals you are using and act as a pro, not like an ignorant person, so that they don't give you the wrong thing. There have been times when there's a mix up, even in the chemical store. So once you have the knowledge of what your chemicals look like, they won't play on your ignorance. Okay, let me go like this. I have this. If you look at it, this is a SLS, and it's like rice, grains of rice. Look at it very well, so that when you are buying, you know what you are buying. It's like grain of rice. Okay, this is the SLS. Okay, it helps in the foaming of your soap, so you can call it a foamer. Okay, though it's very expensive. Okay, that is one. And then this is our caustic soda. Is the major ingredient needed for cleansing in our soap detergent making. Okay, this one is like it's kind of salt like, it's like salt. Okay, the texture is like salt. As much as possible, please don't place it where it can be mistaken for salt, because this is chemical and very corrosive. Okay, when you are using it, of course you should put on your protective gadget like your gloves. I'm not using it now, that's why I'm not wearing the gloves. I'm just showing us. So these are your caustic soda looks like. You can't touch it to test it, but just look at it. Okay, okay. And this is our soda ash. Our soda ash, you can see it's also white. It's in the granules. It's like sugar. This one looks like sugar. Okay, look at it very well so that you can get accustomed to it, making it very bold so that we can see it. It's different from the caustic soda. This one looks like a sugar. Okay, and it also helps in the cleaning of the gadgets, your dress, your dishes, and so on. Okay, it helps to remove the stains. Okay, in absence of this, you can make use of potash product anyway. Okay, so this one looks like sugar. Look at it very well. Get used to your chemicals. And here I have, this is the STPP. It's the STPP. It also helps in foaming. It aids the foaming of your detergent, and then it helps the detergent you're using for to penetrate the fibers, so that will bring about cleansing very well. You can see it's very fine texture. It has fine texture. If you are not careful, you can mistaken it for sulfate, sodium sulfate. Look at sodium sulfate. Okay, but they are all different. This is a sodium sulfate. Okay, you must be very careful. Okay, so that you don't be ignorant of what you are doing. Okay, and I have here is a Texapon. It's also used, it's a jelly like kind of substance. Okay, it also helps in the foaming of your soap when you're adding it to your liquid soap. But in some cases, if you use this Texapon, you don't need to use SLS anyway. But this is also a chemical. I'm just showing us the chemicals using. So this is Texapon. It's a jelly-like kind of substance. Okay, and then here I have my perfume. Okay, perfumes are of different types. We have lemon, we have a sweet fruit perfume, fruit fragrance. But the one I have here is lemon and then lavender. That one depends on your choice. And the type of perfume you use, you have to be very careful. Some help to give your soap scent, and some separate your oil. So you must be very careful of the kind of perfume you use. Okay. Okay. I have colors here. Colors, different color. I have the blue one. I have the green one. Then these colors are of different kind. We have the oil soluble and we have the water soluble. Don't use the water soluble for the oil soluble, it will affect your chemical. So anyone you desire to use, ask them in the store shop that is color the oil soluble you want or the water soluble. Okay, and here I have this one. Is the sodium silicate. Okay, it's in the, it's like if you're not careful, it's like also oily kind of substance. Okay, it also helps in the making your soap dry quickly. It also makes it shine. So if you want your soap to put on shining face, you have this. Then look at this one. This is a hydrochloride acid. It's hydrochloride acid. Okay, it looks so much like water. Eh? If you're not careful, you can mistake it to be water. So as much as possible, don't let your chemicals be where it can be mistaken. How do I know that this one is a genuine or not? Just if you open it, you will see what will come out. Very, very corrosive and very volatile. Can you see? Can you see the steam coming out already? Okay, you can see. That's a way to test whether it's what you are giving is the correct one. So be very careful what you are buying in your stores. Okay, and here we have the sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid helps in the cleaning of the, creating the cleaning effectiveness in our soap. So it's the one that helps our soap. So barely the time you get it right, just like what I did, you can put your labels on your soap. Barely the time you are used to it. Okay, they're just part of it. Few part of the chemicals I'll be showing now. I will see you next in my next second part of a chemical, knowing your chemical. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Put on the notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be there to get it. See you.